You just understand my feelings, baby. See, I'm capable of flying. I'm feeling unified tonight. I'm ready to dive into the eyes of here. See, maybe somebody can know
Go, 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 go. Oh, kaya naman pala ang galing. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
So, I just want to sabihin na abangan niyo po yung sa GMA. The Clash Teens, I'll be there in June 2026. Sana mapanood niyo.
Rooting for you! So very nice, boys. Give it up for Isabella. Good luck.
Yes.
I'm sure you're gonna go places with that voice. Release a song or two,
Yeah.
or maybe one whole
I think
EP.
I
Yes, go ahead, go ahead. Give it up! It's such an honor. Siyempre, di ba? First time natin dito marinig. Tapos, like, within 2026 star ka na. Yeah!